sleazy, with a classic kind of sassy little skirt hanging way up her knee. It was three young ladies in the school gym locker, and they found they were looking at T. I was a high school loser, never made it with a lady. Till the boys told me something I missed. Then my next door neighbor, with my daughter had a favor, and I gave the girl a little kid like this. Seesaw swinging with the balls in school, with your feet flying up in the air, singing hey diddle diddle with your kitty in the middle of the swing like it didn't care. Saw two of the big chains at the high school dance. Was I missing who was ready to pay? Was it me she was fooling, or she knew what she was doing when she told me how to walk this way? She told me to walk.